Hello, Skinnies. Nick here.
Nessie.
Yes. Hollywood. So we thought we would have a little bit of friendly
Banter.
office
You stand there, do the front center thing.
competition for a Wednesday, but truth be told, we just wanted to turn the lemongrass bun bowl into cold rolls.
No,
And now we
lemongrass fun bowl.
Fun bowl. So we have all of the fixings here. We have the dipping sauce, we've got our rice paper rolls, and we thought we'd turn it into a bit of healthy competition to see whose turns out the best. Now, we all know it's going to be Grant's. Don't know why we're wasting our time.
No
But
idea.
we'll just see how it goes. We've got our wet chucks here. We would use chucks or tea towels to make it easier.
Yeah.
We've got our rice paper rolls laid out.
They've already wet them, so they're going to be stuck to these sheets.
Mine was
Like
done
crazy.
first. I'm so screwed.
All right, let's see how we go. Go.
Okay, I'm going noodles first.
Yeah, I'm going to go noodles first too.
Rookies.
Rookie mistake.
What are you going to go first with, Grant? Oh, fuck off, Miss.
Can we not swear, guys?
You can't say that.
She just put it in my hair.
That is so disgusting.
I can't believe you just did that. Oh, I said the F word. Sorry, everyone. Don't put it in my hair.
Don't put anything in your hair, you weirdo. Jesus, that's not what you were saying the other day.
Oh my god.
So rude.
Did you really?
What did I do?
See, and they all thought it was sweet Nicolina in the kitchen.
No.
She is not
Don't mess with my hair. 2 rules in life. Don't mess with my lashes. Don't mess with my hair. Why are you giggling? Alright, I'm going to lay chicken next.
What the heck is
Chicken
this?
necks.
Chicken next.
Tanya, look away.
I am so sorry for saying the F word.
Sorry, Mum.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Alright, then I'm going to go a little
Denise is
bit
watching this.
of lettuce.
Your
Your
mum's
mama?
watching it.
Yeah.
I don't.
Sorry, Denise.
I don't want cucumber. I'm going.
What? Yep.
What are you girls doing?
Cucumber's good for you, Miss.
I know, but you know. All right, I'm going in.
Are you already doing it? Oh my god, yours is terrible.
Whatever.
Mez.
Did you do it bad on purpose?
Yeah,
I think she
that's
did.
totally what I did.
I'm very competitive. Alright. I'm going to go the sides first.
Rookie.
Oh, am I?
Yep.
Or are you?
Or am I?
100%
Sides
rook.
first, and then I'm going to go like that, and then I'm going to... Oh, you know, I fucked up.
I didn't
must
do it
have
tight
messed up.
enough. Not
Actually,
bad
mine
for a
was
first
pretty
go.
good. Mine was actually pretty... We forgot the herbs. Oh no, we have
do
to
another
cook
one.
them. Alright, so mine actually looks pretty good.
Is it?
No. I've got holes
So
in
let's bring them up close to the screen for yourselves.
Hang on, let me
So you
fix
can have a
mine.
look one by one.
Grant.
I know, I'm pretty good at this. Just hashtag so. Okay, so
Oh no, we forgot the herbs though.
it's fine, we'll do that next.
Hang on.
We'll do
Mine
2.
is actually pretty good.
Wait to show. So
No.
Mez, please put your hand up and show them. Hold it out right here. So you can
Mez
see
is
this.
terrible.
Mez,
Look, my chicken's gone.
Mez is more like a tsunami roll. What the hell is it? Look at yours has got a little bit of a thing poking out there. Mez is like a little wait, look at Mez's little frisky one. little frisky roll.
I'd still eat it.
Alright. Mine looks pretty good.
I'm not sure that's.
Mine looks pretty good, guys.
Look at yours from this direction.
No.
Like, can you imagine that's how they serve it down at the local shop? You're like, I've missed out on all the toppings completely.
It's like, you just got noodles.
Because we forgot our
Herbs.
herbs.
And look at Grant's, all fancy pants and...
Grant's looks pretty good. Alright, let's try again.
You can
Let's
vote,
get the
and I know
herbs.
it hurts and pains some people to say,
Let's get the
but
herbs.
just so you
Pop
can
these
see.
down for 30 seconds.
Oh, yeah.
Just saying.
Alright, so we're going to try again now with the herbs. That was a practice run. That was a practice run.
Oh, my lord.
Really? The practice one is the best one? Just put that right here so they can
Here
see
you
it.
go, Grant. Is that enough?
No.
Yours is pretty fat,
Why are
though,
you so
Grant.
fussy? Yeah, I think mine was actually the best. I'm just saying.
I don't think so. If you put them all
I
three
mean,
together on a
if
plate.
you had to choose...
Mine. You can choose mine. Because it's the best. Mine won, you guys. I'm just saying.
Well, actually, I'm going to let them blind choose. Excuse me.
Coming through.
Let me take this nasty looking one.
Blind
You
choose.
can't put it upside down. That is so rude. You're cheating.
So we're going to allow you guys
You're
to...
cheating.
So you get to choose whether you want...
He's cheating,
Which one of
everybody.
those would you want? This is 1. This is 2. Obviously a number 2. And this is 3.
You're cheating.
Just saying, girls.
You're cheating.
You ready to go?
No.
No.
We're just taking our...
Ready?
rice paper roll. Has anyone got any tips out there for rice paper roll rolling?
I
Where's
think we've seen
Betty
enough
when you
tips
need
this
it?
week.
Where's Betty when you need her? Betty's roller festivities.
What is this shirt doing? I really should have worn this on camera. It's very noisy.
I'm wearing my apron that's noisy.
This is really... I'm going to
It's
take it
loud.
off.
It's
I
loud.
can't
Please
wear
don't.
this. I'm not doing this. I
Please
can't.
Put it back on.
Fine.
Any excuse he gets to take his
Yeah.
clothes off. at work.
Literally any excuse.
He's like
Sometimes
Charlie's
no excuse.
He's late child
Oh,
this
you
week.
fucker.
Alright. Now, I'm going to do something really pretty. I'm going to put my herbs down first so that when I roll it,
Rookie.
no.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle.
Alright.
Herbs first, and I'm making mine so pretty, you guys. I'm just saying.
Tried that last time and it didn't work.
Yeah.
I'm not using,
You're gonna say that.
no, like that. And then the-
She still doesn't know.
Anyway. You do you.
yeah. Stop trying to cheat, Miz.
I'm trying to educate you, but you don't want to listen
You're all
to me.
cheating, and I don't like it.
I don't like it.
I don't like it. We're all very like
Everyone's-
competitively quiet now.
I'm
Yeah.
not competitively quiet. I've already won.
That looks terrible.
Wait till you see it, champion. Do 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 do. What's this going on today?
Alright. I'm gonna assess the chicken.
Someone hasn't got a clue what they're doing.
Oh, look how pretty. I am the food stylist, let's not forget.
You use coriander on that one?
No, because I hate coriander. Why would I make coriander if I'm not going to eat it?
If you love coriander, vote against her.
Noodles?
You always just go off the fact that it's Ski Mixes is all you, and so you win anyway. It's just unfair. Yeah?
Skinny mixes is everybody.
Yeah.
Alright. Actually, mine is looking very good, you guys. I'm just saying.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to pick the best chicken.
Where's the carrot?
Yeah. I hit it.
Alright, we're going some
Here you go, Messi.
disgusting cucumbers. Slimy.
Cucumber's not disgusting, Mez.
What's wrong?
Mez has been a baby.
You need pickled kohlrabi, Granny.
I do. I love kohlrabi.
Alright. Bit of
Since we
carrot.
don't want a repeat of...
Okay, so obviously not my best effort today.
That looks terrible.
Shut up, it looks terrible.
That's a 0 out of 10.
0 out of 10, you reckon? And he nails it again. Just so you know, just so you can see what won it again. Not reminding us of what she did the first time round. Yeah? I want to say it, but I can't say it, what it is. It's so annoying.
Well,
I can't say it, I'll see you later.
is it? Yeah.
It's really offensive and politically incorrect.
You,
Well, let's not.
politically incorrect
Oh.
and offensive.
Oh my goodness, 100% I won this.
What, because it's just got weeds in there?
Look how pretty that is. It's rolled perfectly and it's so
Sorry,
pretty.
It looks like you rolled a joint.
I am very good at that, thank you very much.
So wow,
You can never
there's
really
the...
say that.
What is that? It
Yeah,
looks
you
like...
can. It's legal now.
You know what yours looks like? A cocoon.
Guys.
Yours looks like there's a caterpillar's going to come out of
Mine
it.
looks so perfect.
Really? So which one would you rather eat? The one with the one with the weeds in it,
I'm still rolling here.
or the one with the sauce and the meat? You know what? I would rather yours if I was a koala bear.
Mine looks beautiful. You're a hater.
Yours looks like a eucalyptus leaf.
Mine looks so pretty.
I don't think so.
I'm sorry, there's no way that's not the winner, you guys. That is the perfect.
It's definitely not the
There's
winner.
Are you okay?
Here's mine.
Far out.
Dude.
I'm not
Take that over there.
Mez is doing an interpretation of a cold roll. A deconstruction.
Oh, there's no shot what you're doing. Go and show me.
Guys, mine is actually perfect.
Dude, look at my nuggets right in front of you. Have a look.
That's crap.
Dude, you cannot say that's crap. That's amazing.
That's
I'm a
crap.
baker, okay?
Mine looks phenomenal.
Look at Mez's wrinkly thing.
Look at how good mine looks, you guys.
It just looks like green leaves, bro.
Yes. Like
I tried.
said, Mez, you've got a big like patch there uncovered.
Mez has got this like
not.
extra skin.
Yeah.
Mez's is an interpretation of a cold roll. Guys, there's no way that mine does not win.
Mine wins.
Mine wins. Mine
Yours
is so
doesn't
much
win.
better.
It's ridiculous. You're so competitive, but you lost this one.
Just stab hers.
Mez, who won? Because we know it's not between you.
I'm not voting. This
Yeah.
is what happens.
Mine won. One of the two here. 1 and 2. There's your
Mine
two.
is perfect.
Okay, these are your two efforts. Let's put it onto the camera. That one and this one. Let's go.
I did better the second time
So that's your two efforts.
because I forgot the herbs.
This is terrible. Here are my two. Could you grab that one, please?
That was so gross.
Oh, okay. And then that's my two. Beautiful
Hang on,
examples.
can't see yours. No.
That's mine.
Everyone knows I won.
And here's Mez's one with. I'll get the wing one.
When Mez was terrible.
Mez's is the slug.
Now I think what we should do is take
Mez's
photos.
moves. Look at Mez's.
Someone said Nick this round. Woo!
Are you joking?
Sucker.
Thank you, Kathy.
Oh yeah.
Look how pretty that looks.
Oh, yours is the best.
Mine
It doesn't.
is actually
it looks,
perfect.
It doesn't. It looks gross because it doesn't have all the bits in it.
Can we
Look.
eat them now?
Mine has all the bits.
Are we allowed to eat them?
I'm eating mine.
Yeah. I'm so excited. I've been thinking about this
Just
for like
eat it.
15 minutes.
Who tore mine apart?
Yours just kept growing.
You guys.
Oh my god, that's so good.
Hang on, come back here. So I'm going to try mine.
I'm gonna put some sauce in mine.
I suppose the only reason I'm upset about these is I undercooked the chicken.
You did not. This tastes so good with the herbs.
Can you?
You didn't, because I cooked the chicken.
Mine's the best tasting as well. I'm not kidding.
Uh-oh, my cold roll stuck to my finger.
Mez has actually made her sick.
I think you're supposed to put them in the fridge for a bit.
Mm.
But
20 minutes.
holy SHIT.
Oh yeah, so they don't stick to your hand.
Honestly, you guys, this is the best cold roll I've ever had.
No, it's not. This
Yeah,
is.
it is.
Eat that one.
No, there's no way yours was better. No,
Try
I'm
it.
saying the recipe though.
Oh yeah, it's so good. Making that fun bowl into a cold roll.
I made it one without the herbs. I definitely.
We're going to tally up the votes, and the person who wins gets a.
It was me. Everyone already decided.
Gets 4-day long weekend.
Yeah, it's what?
4-day long weekend.
Yeah.
Alright. The loser has to clean up. What do you think?
What's new?
Talk while your mouth is full. Talk while your mouth is full.
That was so good.
That's so disgusting.
Chubby bunny.
I won, and I'm okay with it.
Let's see who says. I'm pretty sure mine won that.
I won
you know what?
anyway because I developed this recipe.
Do you know what? I don't
kidding
care.
me?
I
Don't
still
eat
get
it,
to
oh,
eat
yeah.
cold rolls.
Mez, who made this recipe?
I did. This was all me. It was.
I think this one was me.
Sorry.
No, this was one of the last ones I did.
No, I did this one.
Don't even go there.
I'm pretty sure I did.
I did this one. You know you didn't. Get out. I was so proud of this recipe. I said I thought it was the best recipe I ever wrote.
We nearly got through alive without you hitting me.
What I'm really thankful for is that I was in Bali for 2 weeks where most of the book got written. So I cannot confirm or deny
It was
who
me.
wrote what recipe.
Who did the
So-
Pepsi U?
I know that was you.
Who did the Bang Bang?
You.
What was the other one that you did just recently publish? It was a really good one. The pork roll one.
That was me.
Yeah, because she got that on video developing it.
The lemongrass bun bowl was all me, baby.
What about the 15-minute pulled pork?
Me.
Yeah, that was you.
Me. Everything's all me.
No, you just said it wasn't all
Me,
you.
me, 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 me,
Oh,
me,
wow,
me, me.
dude.
Thank you so much for tuning in.
Does
to
anyone know
this.
a workplace where there's all men?
Good luck. You wouldn't fit in at all.
Are you joking? This chair doesn't want to fit in.
This is literally a normal day in the Skinny Mixer kitchen.
We hope that we brought a smile to someone's face today that needed it. Because that's what this was all about. Was cheering, you better freaking not. I'm trying to be heartfelt here and you're putting noodles in my
Are
hair.
you talking about the Queensland thing now? Oh,
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
I was being
absolutely.
sensible. Gold Coast, Brisbane, The rest of the places that I don't know,
You don't know? There's so many.
Lismore, there's so many that got
Lismore got to about 9.6
that got-
years or something. It's
yeah,
crazy.
Switch and
Yep.
We're thinking
Bribing.
of you guys.
Yeah.
And if you need anything at all, please let us know. But we do hope that we brought a smile to your face today. And also, just for the record, I won that competition.
I'm going to go through the comments.
It went me, you,
No, wait a
and
minute.
Wes.
Mine was the best. I had 2 consistent
Mine
ones.
was the best.
You had a bit of leaves in the last one. 2 consistent.
I'm turning it off because we all know that I won. I won.
Pew,
Bye, skinnies. We love you.